Hello students, in previous video we studied about the division algorithm for polynomials. Now this division algorithm can be used to find the zeros of polynomials which are having degree 3 or 4. Let us see how we can use this division algorithm to find the zeros of polynomials. So for that, let us take one question. Question is, find all zeros of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 if one of its zeros is 1. So here one zero is given to us and we have to find the other zeros. Now this is a cubic polynomial, so it can have at most 3 zeros. One of 0 is given to us and we have to find the other 2 zeros. Now since 1 is a zero of given polynomial, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. You know it, we can express this in such form. So x minus 1 is a factor, and if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, so it will divide this polynomial. So if this is px, we will take it as gx. Now px will be divided by gx. So let us divide. So let's see here, this is polynomial px and this is polynomial gx, or the divisor, and this is the dividend. We can divide it like this. Now here we have x and this is x cube. So to get the first term of quotient, we have to multiply x with x square. Now x square into x gives us x cube. Also x square will be multiplied with minus 1. So minus x square. Now we will subtract the terms. Sign will change, negative, positive. Now these two terms will cancel out. And here we have minus 3x square plus x square plus x square. It will give us minus 2x square and minus x plus 3 as it is. Now we will see here we have minus 2x square and this is x. So we will multiply x with minus 2x to get minus 2x square, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2x gives us plus 2x. Now we will subtract these terms, so sign will change here. Now positive and negative signs, these terms will cancel out, and minus 2x minus x gives us minus 3x plus 3 as it is. Now here we can see that divisor has x and it is here minus 3x. So we will multiply x with minus 3 only. So x multiplied by minus 3 gives us minus 3x, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 gives us plus 3. Now here sign will change, plus minus, so terms will cancel out and we are left with remainder 0, because we know that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So it will divide this polynomial completely and we get this as a quotient. Therefore we can write polynomial in this form. This polynomial is x minus 1 multiplied by this, or this is that form, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, and remainder is 0 because x minus 1 is a factor. Now we will solve this part. You know how to factorize this part. This is a quadratic polynomial and you know very well how to factorize it. So we will see such terms, sum of which gives us minus 2x and product gives us minus 3x square. So such terms are x and minus 3x. So minus 3x plus x gives us minus 2x, and if we multiply these two, we will get minus 3x square. Now let us take x common from these two terms. So x outside and inside we are left with x plus 1, and from these two terms we can take minus 3 as common. So after taking minus 3 common, we are left with x plus 1. Again let us take x plus 1 common. So x plus 1 common and we are left with x minus 3. So this quadratic polynomial can be factorized as this. or we can say that cubic polynomial. We can write this cubic polynomial as x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 3. So the three zeros of the polynomial are, if we equate it equal to 0, we will get the zeros of polynomial. X minus 1 is 0, then x is equal to 1. X plus 1 is 0, then x equals to minus 1. And if x equal to x minus 3 is 0, then x will be 3. So plus 1, minus 1 and 3 are the three zeros of this quadrant, this cubic polynomials. In this way, we can use division algorithm to find the zeros of any polynomial.